The question is how El Nino Southern Oscillation affects the climate of India. So this is India, this is Indian Ocean, this is Southern Ocean, and this is Antarctica. So as Southern Ocean is located near Antarctica, Southern Ocean will have a cold temperature. Therefore, its ocean current will also be cold ocean current. Now, what is ocean current? Ocean current is the movement of ocean water in a fixed path. Now, ocean current is of two types: warm ocean current and cold ocean current. Here, Indian Ocean will have warm ocean current and Southern Ocean will have cold ocean current. Now, what are the characteristics of warm ocean current and cold ocean current? So warm ocean current will have a high temperature but low pressure, and cold ocean current will have a low temperature but high pressure. So it is the nature of any wind, any ocean current, or any water body to move from high pressure to low pressure. Therefore the ocean current from Southern Ocean will move to Indian Ocean as it is high pressure and it is low pressure. Therefore it will move in this direction, and Indian Ocean is located near India. Therefore the moisture which has been carried by Southern Ocean will be there in India, so resulting in monsoon in India. So this is how Antarctica and Southern Ocean, basically Southern Ocean, helps in the climate of India. Now this is a South American country, Peru. So it is located here in the plane map, but it will be somewhere here when we look at the globe, because globe is spherical. So Peru has Peruvian current, cold Peruvian current around it, which is located in South Pacific Ocean. Now Peru has Peruvian current which is cold in nature, therefore it will have a high pressure and low temperature. And here in comparison to Indian Ocean, Indian Ocean will have a warm temperature and it will have a low pressure. So what happens, it is the nature of any ocean current or wind to move from high pressure to low pressure. Therefore the ocean current will move here and from Indian Ocean to India. So this is how India receives rainfall and monsoon because of this Peruvian current. But what happens after 2, 3, or 5 years, the condition changes. El Nino effect comes into existence, because of which this cold Peruvian current is replaced by warm Peruvian current. Now earlier it was having high pressure and low temperature, but now it will have high temperature and low pressure. And in comparison to Indian Ocean will have a low temperature and high pressure in comparison to this warm Peruvian current. Now what will happen, it is the nature of ocean current to move from high pressure to low pressure. So Indian ocean current will move from here to here, resulting in loss of monsoon for India. So this is how India is affected by El Nino Southern Oscillation.